In this video, we'll talk about how to add a payment method to Google Ads account. Okay, so we got multiple options available over here in Google Ads. Initially, we used to have only debit card or credit card or net banking option, but now we got multiple options available over here. Now, before we proceed further, let me tell you, there are two type of accounts we have. We got prepaid account, we got postpaid account. Prepaid account means you recharge it, you add the money in the account, and that money will be utilized for your campaigns. In the same way, we got postpaid account where they'll be spending money on behalf of us. They'll be, let's say, using the money on a credit basis, and after end of the month, you'll get a bill. Okay, you will get a bill to your mail ID, and you have to, let's say, submit that bill. You have to pay that money. Okay, so let me show you in detail how to, let's say, proceed further, how to add details and everything. Go to tools and settings and go for summary. Now, coming to the summary part, you can see an option coming up over here, payment setup. So this thing is getting loaded. Yeah, payment setup, you got billing country, put a country over here, the currency. So currency would be set by default because while creating the account, you have already given the currency. Okay, next thing we got business name over here, give the name and all. Okay, I'll just putting a name over here, LDA. Now, so you got two options over here. Before going to payment method, please look at this option. This is very, very important. Automatic payment or manual payments. This is like your prepaid and postpaid. If you go with automatic payments, that's your postpaid. If you go with manual payments, that's your prepaid. Like recharge it, then use it. Postpaid, after the end of the month, you get the bill. Okay. So I prefer, like, you should go with manual payments, and then you can put a value over here. So minimum to add the number, let's say money on the account is 500. Okay, let me tell you, it is not compulsory like you should use, like to run a campaign require 500 minimum. No, for adding the money in the account we require minimum 500 initially. Getting it? Okay, and you can use it in, let's say, in 5 different campaigns, and you can use it like 100 for each campaign. Getting it? That's none of the concern. For adding the money in the account, you need at least 500. Okay, now you got multiple options over here. You got money transfer, Google Pay, like tool of Google itself, or you can use a UPay option. You got net banking, you got debit and credit card, and even you can link your Paytm wallet. That's a good option available because nowadays people got been very aware of using the Paytm, so even they have given the option of Paytm wallet. Okay, and if you go with automatic payments, then you got option of same options available for automatic payments as well. You can decide. Okay, and then you can go with the automatic or manual. So this is how you add the payment method in Google Ads. Okay, so I hope this is very pretty clear about adding a payment method in Google Ads, and you're very very sure about the account type of account you want prepaid or you want postpaid. Okay, depends upon your client and depends upon your strategy. So that's all from the this video.